Welcome! In this channel, we explain automotive terms. A child safety seat, sometimes called an infant safety seat, child restraint system, child seat, baby seat, car seat, or booster seat, is a seat designed specifically to protect children from injury or death during vehicle collisions. Most commonly, these seats are purchased and installed by car owners, but car manufacturers may integrate them directly into their vehicle's design and generally are required to provide anchors and ensure seat belt compatibility. The type of seat your child needs depends on several things, including your child's age, size, and developmental needs. An infant car seat is designed for infants. This is usually from birth until your baby is at least 2 years old and reaches the weight limit for the seat. These car seats are designed to ride in your car in the rear-facing position only. The infant car seat can also double as a carrier. Many models of this infant car seat can either be strapped into the car directly or into a base that stays strapped into the car seat. Multiple bases can be purchased for multiple cars. A convertible car seat is used from birth until your child outgrows a car seat. It can be used in forward-facing or rear-facing positions, depending on your child's weight. Rear-facing is used for infants up to 3 years, and you can start putting your child in a forward-facing position once they are 3 years old. The downfalls to convertible car seats are that they are not portable and cannot be used as an infant carrier. They do not have bases and are not easily moved from one car to another. Booster car seats are to be used only for kids in a forward-facing position. The minimum weight requirement varies from 30 to 40 pounds, depending on the model you select. The good news is that the booster car seat works until your child is old enough to not need a car seat anymore. This type of car seat can have its own set of buckles or harnesses, or it can use the seat belt already found in your car. An all-in-one seat, or 3-in-1 seat, is similar to convertible car seats, except that it works as a booster seat too. The advantage of this seat is that you only have to buy one seat and it'll grow with your child from rear-facing to forward-facing to a booster seat until they are old enough to just use a seat belt. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.